Congratulations!
Thank you!
Hi!
Wow!
Wow!
Nakikumpanin mo na.
Ha? Aray ko! Ano ba yan? Ano ba?
Malambing talaga kayo sa isa't isa, no?
Nagsasamahan kami.
Hampasan lang kayo ng hampasan.
Ganun po talaga kami.
Opo, ganun po namin pinapakita ang pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa po. Sobrang importante po. Sobrang laki po ng role po ng ate ko po talaga sa buhay ko, kuya. So, thank you. Oh, diba?
Gusto kong malaman mo na tulad ng pamilya mo, ipinagmamalaki kita.
Kuya, alam ko po, ang dami ko po talagang natutunan dito sa bahay niyo po, kuya. Sobrang, that means a lot po talaga. And being here po, it's a beautiful experience po, kuya. So I can't wait to continue po, kuya.
Oras na para magpaalam muna sa ate mo.
Super proud ni Mama and Daddy sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan. Tandaan mo yan.
I know.
Love you so much. Love you so much. Don't worry, okay? I love you.
I love you.
Pakurot lang ng isa.
Okay, sige ko.
Love you. I love you. I love you so much.
I love them.
Love you. Yes.
Thank you sa
worry.
canvas.
Pagbalik ni Lou sa kanyang mga kaibigan,
Wow. Ooh, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
Very good
How many times
relationship.
did you get hit?
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice.
Get hit and then
Your relationship is your sister, pero like a
Like my best friend.
Yeah, best friend like
my
this.
glad you guys
Very good.
Good. Very good.
Yeah.
I'm very comfortable telling him everything.
Yeah.